Hello, tech enthusiasts and radio aficionados. Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and technology. Today, we've got something exciting for the radio enthusiasts out there. The Portapack H2 SDR radio transceiver by Camii. It's a versatile radio receiver kit with some unique features that we'll dive into shortly. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss our tech reviews. Let's get started. Let's kick things off with a quick overview of the key features of the Portapack H2 SDR radio transceiver. The Portapack H2 is not just a radio receiver. It's also a push-to-talk walkie-talkie with a voice-activated mode. It utilizes the 3.5mm audio jack for this purpose. One standout feature is its ability to capture and replay wireless signals, making it an excellent tool for experimenting with and understanding wireless communication. Equipped with a 3.5mm audio jack, this transceiver allows you to listen to standard narrow FM and wide FM audio signals by connecting a speaker. With a 3.2-inch TFT touchscreen, the Portapack H2 offers an easy-to-navigate user interface. You can power it on and off with a simple press of the black knob. Let's unbox the Portapack H2 SDR radio transceiver and see what's included. The star of the show, the radio transceiver itself in sleek black. You'll find important safety leaflets and a warranty card to ensure your peace of mind. Setting up and using the Portapack H2 is a straightforward process. You can easily connect the transceiver to your antenna, speaker, or headphones through the 3.5mm audio jack. Switching between radio reception and walkie-talkie modes is a breeze, thanks to the user-friendly touchscreen. We put the Portapack H2 to the test to see how it performs in real-world scenarios. We'll explore the device's ability to receive SSB, AM, narrowband FM, and wideband FM audio signals. How does it handle different modes and frequencies? We'll demonstrate how the Portapack H2 can capture and replay wireless signals, making it a valuable tool for hobbyists and tinkerers. So, what's the final verdict on the Portapack H2 SDR radio transceiver? If you're a radio enthusiast, tinkerer, or someone looking for a versatile radio transceiver with some unique capabilities, the Portapack H2 is worth considering. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow radio enthusiasts. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with the Portapack H2, feel free to drop your thoughts in the comments section below. Stay tuned for more exciting tech reviews on this channel. This is Product Critique, signing off. Until next time, happy radio experimentation and tech exploration with the Portapack H2 SDR radio transceiver.